Get ready to explore the most innovative and game-changing tools designed to make your life easier and your projects flawless. From powerful cutting-edge gadgets to portable power solutions, these tools redefine efficiency and precision. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, these ingenious creations are here to transform the way you work. Let's dive into the ultimate lineup of must-have tools that will blow your mind. Designed to tackle even the toughest wood-cutting challenges. Built for both professionals and serious DIYers, this tool combines raw power with precision, making it an absolute game-changer in the world of chainsaws. Its 50cc X-Torque engine not only delivers exceptional performance, but also ensures fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, making it as eco-friendly as it is powerful. With a lightweight and ergonomic design, this chainsaw provides superior handling, ensuring you can navigate through dense forests or backyard projects without breaking a sweat. What truly sets the 545 Mark II apart is its reliability in extreme conditions. Whether it's blistering heat or icy cold, this chainsaw keeps going, thanks to its advanced cooling system and durable build. Plus, with features like low-vib technology to reduce vibrations and smart start for effortless ignition, Husqvarna proves it cares about user comfort just as much as performance. Whether you're cutting firewood or clearing storm debris, this tool is built to deliver power and precision every time. The DEWALT 18-volt XR brushless circular saw is a masterpiece of cordless convenience and cutting-edge engineering. Powered by an 18-volt XR brushless motor, this saw delivers unbeatable power and runtime, making it a top choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its sleek design boasts a high-performance 165mm blade capable of delivering smooth, precise cuts through wood, metal, and other materials. With an adjustable bevel capacity up to 57 degrees, you'll have the flexibility to tackle complex angles with ease. What makes this saw truly ingenious is its blend of portability and durability. Lightweight yet rugged, it's designed to withstand tough job site conditions without sacrificing ease of use. The integrated LED light ensures clear visibility in dim workspaces, while the ergonomic handle provides maximum control during extended use. Whether you're building decks, trimming sheets, or crafting custom furniture, this DEWALT circular saw is your go-to for precision and reliability. Worx Nitro 20-volt wet-dry vacuum is the ultimate portable cleaning powerhouse, perfect for tackling messes in your workshop, garage, or car. Compact yet mighty, this cordless vacuum runs on a 20-volt PowerShare battery, delivering enough suction to handle everything from sawdust and debris to spills and grime. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver, while the sturdy build ensures it can take a beating in rugged environments. One standout feature of the Nitro wet-dry vacuum is its dual-function capability. Not only does it clean up liquids and solids with ease, but it also functions as a blower, allowing you to clear leaves, dust, or debris in a snap. The quick-release tank and washable filters make maintenance hassle-free, and the included attachments ensure you can reach even the trickiest spots. For anyone who values efficiency and portability, this tool is a must-have in their arsenal. Designed to make cutting plastic pipes and sealing sleeves faster, safer, and more precise. Compact and lightweight, it fits perfectly in your hand, delivering professional-grade results without the need for bulky equipment. Its innovative design allows for clean cuts in tight spaces, making it ideal for plumbing, electrical installations, and even automotive repairs. With its patented cutting wheel and ergonomic grip, the KNIPEX BiX combines power and finesse in one ingenious package. What makes this tool a standout is its versatility and user-friendly nature. Whether you're a seasoned tradesperson or a weekend warrior, the BiX ensures consistent results with minimal effort. Its ability to handle pipes of various sizes and materials without causing burrs or deformities is unmatched. The quick change system for blades adds another layer of convenience, making this tool not just a cutter, but a time-saving solution for professionals and DIYers alike. The PiCo Pipe blasting tool is a revolutionary solution for pipe cleaning and surface preparation, offering a dust-free blasting experience that's as efficient as it is environmentally friendly. Designed with precision engineering, this tool uses advanced abrasive technology to clean pipes thoroughly without creating the mess typically associated with blasting. Whether you're removing rust, old coatings, or contaminants, the PiCo Pipe ensures a spotless surface ready for welding, painting, or further treatment. What truly makes this tool stand out is its dust containment system, which not only keeps the workspace clean, but also protects the operator from harmful particulates. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for use in confined spaces or on large industrial sites. With its high cleaning speed and reduced abrasive consumption, the PiCo Pipe is a game changer for anyone seeking an efficient, eco-conscious, and safe way to tackle pipe maintenance projects. Is your ultimate companion for fast, reliable wall fastening. Built for high-performance tasks, this tool drives nails with unmatched speed and precision, cutting down on labor time while ensuring a secure, professional finish. Whether you're installing frames, paneling, or heavy-duty supports, its high-pressure mechanism ensures deep penetration even into the hardest materials, making it a must-have for construction pros and ambitious DIYers alike. What sets this nail gun apart is its ergonomic design and user-focused features. With an anti-jam mechanism and adjustable depth control, you can maintain smooth, uninterrupted work. The lightweight construction minimizes fatigue during extended use, while the high-capacity nail magazine reduces downtime. From home renovations to industrial applications, this tool provides unmatched power and efficiency, ensuring every job is completed with precision and speed. Engineered for professionals in plumbing, HVAC, and construction, this compact powerhouse handles a wide range of pipe materials, including copper, stainless steel, and multi-layer composite pipes. Its cordless design, powered by a robust lithium-ion battery, ensures unparalleled mobility and ease of use, making it ideal for on-site work or confined spaces. What truly makes the ROBEND 4000E shine is its precision and efficiency. With automated angle settings and a user-friendly control interface, you can achieve perfect bends with minimal effort, reducing material waste and saving valuable time. The rugged build ensures durability under demanding conditions, while the lightweight design minimizes fatigue during extended use. For those who need accuracy and portability in pipe bending, this tool is a total game changer. With their unmatched durability and user-friendly design, whether you're powering tools in your garage, workshop, or job site, these reels ensure your cords stay tangle-free and ready to use at a moment's notice. Made with FlexZilla's signature ultra-durable material, these reels are designed to handle heavy-duty tasks while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. What makes these cord reels truly ingenious is their retractable design and 180-degree swivel mounting bracket. This setup ensures maximum flexibility and reach, allowing you to extend and retract your cords effortlessly, even in tight spaces. The rugged construction and weather-resistant casing make them perfect for indoor and outdoor use, while the smooth retraction system prevents snags and tangles. For anyone who values organization and efficiency, the FlexZilla cord reels are a must-have addition to their toolkit. The Sealy 3.7-volt vacuum drill dust extractor is a smart, compact solution for keeping your workspace clean while drilling. Powered by a rechargeable 3.7-volt battery, this tool attaches directly to the surface, creating a dust-free environment as you work. It's designed to collect debris in real time, preventing dust from scattering and settling on your tools, floor, or lungs. An absolute must-have for precision and safety-conscious pros and DIYers alike. What sets this extractor apart is its hands-free suction technology, which allows it to securely adhere to most surfaces while you focus on drilling. The transparent dust collection compartment lets you easily monitor debris levels, while the lightweight portable design ensures maximum convenience. Whether you're working on drywall, wood, or concrete, the Sealy Dust Extractor simplifies cleanup, enhances accuracy, and minimizes health risks, making it a brilliant addition to any toolkit. Ego Power Plus Nexus Portable Power Station. The Ego Power Plus Nexus Portable Power Station is a groundbreaking solution for on-the-go energy needs. Powered by Ego's 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, this cordless power station delivers enough juice to run everything from heavy-duty tools to household appliances. Perfect for camping trips, job sites, or emergencies, it's clean, quiet, and emission-free, offering an eco-friendly alternative to gas-powered generators. This power station is as user-friendly as it is powerful. Featuring multiple outlets, including USB ports, it can charge or power multiple devices simultaneously. The digital display provides real-time feedback on power usage and battery life, ensuring you stay in control. Its rugged, portable design makes it easy to transport, while the compatibility with Ego's entire battery lineup ensures you'll never run out of power. For anyone seeking a versatile and sustainable energy solution, the Nexus Power Station is a total game changer. The Bosch Paint Spray System is the ultimate tool for achieving professional-grade finishes with minimal effort. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this spray system is perfect for painting walls, fences, furniture, and more. Its advanced spray nozzle ensures even, smooth coverage, drastically reducing the time and effort required compared to traditional brushes or rollers. One of its standout features is the adjustable spray pattern, allowing you to switch between horizontal, vertical, and circular modes for precise application. The system is easy to assemble, clean, and operate, making it accessible for beginners and seasoned pros alike. With its compact, lightweight design and powerful motor, the Bosch Paint Spray System turns even the most daunting painting projects into a breeze, delivering flawless results every time. Is the ultimate tool for achieving precision alignment and leveling in construction or DIY projects. Combining the accuracy of a digital level with the functionality of a laser, this tool ensures perfect measurements every time. The integrated laser projection extends up to 40 meters, making it ideal for aligning shelves, tiles, or framing with pinpoint accuracy. What makes the DigiLevel G40 truly ingenious is its intuitive digital display and multifunctional design. The level offers multiple measurement modes, including degrees, percent, and millimeters, ensuring it adapts to any task. Its robust construction and ergonomic grip make it durable and easy to handle, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're a professional builder or a weekend renovator, this tool guarantees speed, precision, and efficiency in every project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for updates, give a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which tool you think is the coolest.